Here are 21 of the most common pharmacy technician interview questions, each one with a high converting sample answer that you can use right now during your interview. Here's a bonus tip. Study the job description before your interview. This way, you can add specific qualification requirements to your answers to better match them with the expectations of the job role. Let's get started. How would you describe yourself? I would describe myself as a meticulous and committed individual with a strong passion for healthcare. As a pharmacy technician, I excel in environments that require precision and attention to detail. My previous experience has developed my skills in accurately dispensing medication, managing inventory, and maintaining patient confidentiality, which are extremely important in this role. I am also a fast learner, which helps me adapt to new technologies and systems quickly, which I believe is another necessity in the rapidly evolving field of pharmacy. I pride myself on my communication skills, which are important for effectively interacting with pharmacists, other healthcare professionals, and patients to ensure that there is a clear understanding and no errors in medication handling. I am also very empathetic and patient, which is essential when dealing with customers who may be going through stressful health issues. This empathy drives my commitment to providing excellent service and support to both my team and the customers we serve. Question number 2. What do you know about this pharmacy? To effectively answer the interview question, what do you know about this pharmacy? You should demonstrate both your knowledge of the pharmacy and your understanding of how it fits into the larger healthcare industry. Here's how you can structure your answer. History and background. When was the pharmacy established? Who founded it? What is its mission statement? Understand its services and products. What specific services do they offer? Do they specialize in certain types of medications or health areas? Market presence. Where are they located? Are they a local, regional, or national chain? Go online and read the reputation and reviews. What do customers say about them? How do they stand out in terms of customer service? You can also understand more about their community involvement. For example, are they involved in local health initiatives or community services? And finally, innovation and technology. Do they use any unique pharmacy technology or offer digital services? Now, when preparing your answer, do your research and incorporate what you learn into your answer. Question number 3. Why did you decide to become a pharmacy technician? This answer demonstrates a personal connection to the field, a clear understanding of the role, and a passion for the impact of the work, which are all appealing qualities in a candidate. I decided to become a pharmacy technician because I've always been interested in the healthcare field and wanted to find a role where I could directly contribute to patient care without spending several years in school. It started because of a personal experience where a close family member was dealing with a chronic illness. I saw firsthand the impact that proper medication management can have on a patient's quality of life. This experience made me appreciate the important role pharmacy technicians play in the healthcare system. I also have a strong background in science and excellent attention to detail, both of which are essential in this field. I find the challenge of accurately preparing prescriptions very gratifying, and I enjoy the responsibility of managing medication stocks and educating patients under the supervision of a pharmacist. The role also offers a unique blend of patient interaction and technical tasks, which perfectly matches my skills and interests. Becoming a pharmacy technician has allowed me to make a meaningful difference in people's lives, which is incredibly rewarding. Question number 4. What qualities make you a good fit for this job? I believe my qualifications make me an excellent fit for this pharmacy technician position. My attention to detail ensures accuracy in filling prescriptions, which is an important aspect of pharmacy operations. I understand that even a small error can have significant consequences, so I am meticulous in following protocols and verifying information. My strong organizational skills also enable me to manage multiple tasks efficiently. In a busy pharmacy setting, being able to prioritize duties while maintaining an organized workspace is essential for smooth operations and timely patient service. Additionally, I have a solid background in pharmacy technology and medication management from my previous roles in addition to a certification in pharmacy technology. This education has equipped me with a thorough understanding of pharmacology, prescription processing, and compliance with regulatory guidelines, which are critical for performing effectively in this role. I also understand the importance of patient care and satisfaction because it is paramount in a healthcare setting. My ability to communicate clearly and compassionately helps me address patients' needs and concerns, ensuring they feel supported in managing their health.
I am a team player who collaborates effectively with colleagues. Whether it's assisting pharmacists, helping peers, or training new staff, I contribute positively to our shared goal of providing excellent healthcare.
Question number 5. What's one weakness you have, and how are you working to improve it? Crafting an effective response to this common interview question involves honesty and demonstrating a proactive approach to self-improvement. Here's a sample answer that a pharmacy technician might use. This answer shows self-awareness, a commitment to professional development, and an understanding of the role technology plays in modern pharmacy practices.
One area that I'm actively working on improving is my familiarity with the latest pharmaceutical software. Earlier in my career, I relied more on traditional methods and less on digital solutions. However, I do recognize the importance of technology in enhancing efficiency and accuracy in pharmacy operations. To address this, I have enrolled in an online course to learn about the latest pharmacy management systems. Additionally, I've been practicing with simulation software provided by the course, which helps me apply what I've learned in a virtual pharmacy setting. This has not only improved my technical skills but also my confidence in using digital tools to support patient care effectively.
Question number 6. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? This answer demonstrates a commitment to professional growth, a clear vision of career progression, which are qualities that employers typically appreciate.
In 5 years, I see myself as a more established and skilled pharmacy technician, having gained comprehensive experience in both retail and hospital settings. I am particularly interested in specializing in medication therapy management, as I believe this area will allow me to have a direct impact on patient care and health outcomes. I plan to pursue additional certifications that are relevant to my field, such as becoming a certified compounded sterile preparation technician to enhance my expertise and contribute more effectively to the pharmacy team. Additionally, I aim to take on more leadership responsibilities, possibly moving into a supervisor role where I can mentor and train new technicians, helping them to integrate smoothly into this dynamic and essential field. My goal is to continue learning and growing within the pharmacy profession, staying updated with the latest in pharmaceutical technology and treatment protocols to provide the best possible care to patients.
Question number 7. How would your past supervisors describe you? By structuring the answer in this way, the candidate effectively showcases their suitability for the position, while also implying that they are a well-rounded and competent professional. This approach helps build a strong case for their candidacy by reflecting positively on their past performance and potential future contributions.
I believe my supervisors would describe me as diligent, precise, and highly collaborative. They appreciated my meticulous approach to handling prescriptions, ensuring accuracy and compliance with all safety standards. I was often commended for my ability to manage multiple tasks efficiently, which is crucial in a busy pharmacy setting. My supervisors did value my proactive communication skills. I consistently kept the lines open between pharmacists, other technicians, and customers to ensure clarity and service excellence. They also noted my eagerness to learn and adapt, often engaging in continuing education and training sessions to stay updated with the latest in pharmacy practice.
Question number 8. Tell us about one of your greatest strengths. How did this strength help you at your previous job?
One of my greatest strengths is my ability to communicate complex information clearly. In my previous role as a pharmacy technician, this skill proved to be invaluable, especially when interacting with patients who needed guidance on their medications. For example, I often encountered patients who were confused about their prescription instructions or concerned about potential side effects. My role required me to explain these instructions in a way that was easy to understand and that addressed their concerns without overwhelming them. I found that taking the extra time to discuss their medications led to increased patient satisfaction and adherence to medication schedules. This strength also helped me work effectively with healthcare providers. By ensuring clear and precise communication, I was able to clarify prescription details and potential issues quickly, which not only improved patient care but also enhanced workflow efficiency within the pharmacy. This ability to facilitate smooth communication between patients and healthcare professionals was a key factor in my success in that position.
Question number 9. What do you find most interesting about pharmacology?
What I find most interesting about pharmacology is the critical role it plays in patient care and the opportunity it provides to make a difference in people's lives. Understanding how various medications affect the body allows me to assist pharmacists more effectively and ensures that I am better equipped to handle customer concerns. The dynamic nature of pharmacology, with continuous advancements and new medications, keeps the field exciting. It motivates me to stay informed and proficient in my role, ensuring that I can contribute to safe and effective patient care. I appreciate the challenge of understanding complex medication interactions and the satisfaction that comes from helping to manage these safely. Every day offers a chance to learn something new and to apply that knowledge in a practical, impactful way.
Question number 10. Do you have any experience working in compounding pharmacies? Both of these answers demonstrate your understanding of the role's requirements and your readiness to meet them, whether by leveraging existing skills or expressing a strong willingness to learn and grow in the field. Here's a great sample answer for someone with experience.
I do have experience working in a compounding pharmacy. During my time at, here you can mention the previous pharmacy name, I assisted in the preparation of customized medications tailored to the specific needs of patients. This involved measuring, mixing, and preparing medication under the strict guidelines to ensure safety and accuracy. I'm skilled in using compounding tools and maintaining a sterile environment, which are crucial in creating effective and safe compound medications. I also took part in continuous training to stay updated on compounding practices and regulations. This experience has equipped me with a strong understanding of the precision and attention to detail required in compounding, which I am eager to bring to your team.
Now, here's a great sample answer for someone without experience.
While I haven't had the opportunity to work directly in a compounding pharmacy, I am very interested in learning about this aspect of pharmacy technology. I understand that compounding is critical for personalizing medication to meet the unique needs of patients, and I am keen to develop my skills in this area. I have a solid foundation in pharmacy practices and am familiar with the meticulous attention to detail required for pharmacy work. I am a quick learner and am fully committed to undergoing any additional training needed to become proficient in compounding techniques. I'm eager to expand my knowledge and contribute to your team by applying my dedication and passion for pharmacy.
Now, before we continue, check out these awesome videos. I have posted the links to them in the description below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more great videos posted every single week. Question number 11. In your experience, what are the most important pharmacy technician duties?
As a pharmacy technician, I believe the most important duties are based around accuracy, communication, and patient care. Ensuring the accurate dispensing of medications is paramount. This involves carefully filling prescriptions, double-checking dosages, and ensuring that labels and instructions are clear and correct. Mistakes in dispensing can have serious health implications, so maintaining meticulous attention to detail is crucial. Effective communication skills are also important. As a technician, I frequently interact with pharmacists, other healthcare professionals, and patients. Being able to clearly convey information, listen effectively, and handle inquiries with discretion and empathy ensures that the pharmacy operates smoothly and patients receive excellent service. I am a strong believer in supporting patient care. This includes tasks like managing inventory to ensure that medications are in stock, expired drugs are disposed of properly, and necessary supplies are available. Additionally, providing patients with information on how to take their medications safely and addressing their questions responsibly plays a critical role in their health outcomes.
Question number 12. What do you feel are the most challenging aspects of working as a pharmacy technician?
One of the most challenging aspects of working as a pharmacy technician is managing the precision and attention to detail required in dispensing medications. Each prescription must be filled accurately with the correct medication and dosage to ensure patient safety. This responsibility can be particularly demanding during busy periods when the pharmacy sees a high volume of prescriptions. Additionally, staying updated with the latest pharmaceutical regulations and medication interactions is essential but can be challenging due to the constant changes and updates in the healthcare field. This requires ongoing education and adaptability to ensure compliance and provide the best care to patients. Another significant challenge is dealing with the emotional aspect of interacting with patients who may be experiencing stress or illness. It's important to maintain a compassionate and professional demeanor, which can sometimes be difficult, especially when dealing with frustrated or upset patients. Balancing empathy with efficiency is key to providing excellent service and support in a pharmacy setting.
Question number 13. How do you handle working in a fast-paced environment?
In my previous role as a pharmacy technician, I frequently faced situations where I had to manage multiple tasks efficiently in a fast-paced environment. I believe the key to success in such settings is a combination of strong organizational skills, effective communication, and the ability to prioritize tasks. I always ensure that my workspace is well organized so that I can quickly access medications and information without delays. This preparation minimizes the chances of errors and increases efficiency, which is crucial in a pharmacy setting where patient health is at stake. I also believe that clear communication is extremely important. I make it a point to clearly communicate with pharmacists and other team members about the status of prescriptions and any issues that might arise. This helps in preempting problems and coordinating effectively to address patient needs promptly. Prioritization is also essential in managing the workload effectively. I assess the urgency of prescriptions, attending first to those needed immediately while ensuring that each patient receives attentive service. This method not only helps in managing time but also in providing a high standard of care to our patients. I believe in always getting feedback from my peers and supervisors to refine my techniques and processes, ensuring that I remain effective and efficient in my role.
Question number 14. How do you maintain patient confidentiality when preparing and dispensing medications? This answer is focused on the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, also known as HIPAA regulations and pharmacy policies. You can find the link to these regulations in the description.
Maintaining patient confidentiality is extremely important, and I strictly follow the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act regulations and pharmacy policies to ensure that patient information remains secure. When preparing and dispensing medications, I make sure to handle all documents containing patient information, such as prescription labels and patient profiles, with complete care. I use only secured systems to access patient information and ensure that my computer screen is not visible to unauthorized individuals. I also avoid discussing patient details in public areas of the pharmacy where conversations could potentially be overheard. Furthermore, I am mindful of disposing of any printouts or labels that contain patient information by using shredders or secure disposal bins designated for confidential documents. By following these protocols, I ensure that I respect and protect the privacy of all our patients.
Question number 15. How do effective customer service skills apply to the role of a pharmacy technician?
As a pharmacy technician, effective customer service skills are important because they directly impact patient satisfaction and safety. Being able to communicate clearly and empathetically is crucial. Patients often have concerns about their medications, and it's my role to ensure they feel heard and understood. This involves carefully explaining medication instructions and answering any questions they have to make sure they feel confident in managing their treatments. Additionally, attention to detail is a key customer service skill in a pharmacy setting. This means accurately filling prescriptions, ensuring correct dosages, and avoiding potential drug interactions. By meticulously managing these details, I help maintain patient safety and trust, which are foundational to effective customer service. Problem-solving skills are essential when issues arise, such as insurance claims or medication availability. Being proactive and resourceful in resolving these problems minimizes stress for patients and enhances their overall experience at the pharmacy.
Question number 16. Have you ever resolved an issue for an upset customer? What did you do? This answer demonstrates the candidate's ability to handle stressful situations with empathy and professionalism, highlighting key skills that are valuable in a pharmacy setting.
I have had experience handling upset customers in my previous role as a pharmacy technician. There was a particular instance where a customer was extremely distressed because there was a delay in processing her prescription due to an insurance issue. She was anxious as she needed the medication urgently. I also listened to her concerns calmly and empathetically, acknowledging the inconvenience and stress caused by the situation. I reassured her that I would prioritize resolving her issue. I then reviewed her insurance details and discovered there was a discrepancy in the system. I immediately contacted the insurance company to clarify and resolve the discrepancy. During the entire process, I kept the customer informed about every step I was taking, ensuring she felt valued and not left out of the loop. Once the issue was resolved, I expedited the dispensing of her medication and offered to explain how to manage her medication effectively. I also followed up with her the next day to ensure that the medication was working well and that she was satisfied with the solution. This experience is a great example of being proactive, patient, and persistent in resolving customer issues, ensuring they leave not just with their needs met, but also with a positive impression of our service.
Question number 17. How do you stay updated on new medications and pharmacy practices?
As a pharmacy technician, I understand the importance of staying current with the latest developments in medications and pharmacy practices to provide the best care and accurate information. To keep myself updated, I regularly attend training sessions and continuing education workshops provided by our pharmacy association and other accredited organizations. These workshops often focus on new drug releases, changes in drug regulations, and advances in pharmaceutical technology. Additionally, I subscribe to several industry newsletters and journals such as Pharmacy Times and the American Journal of Pharmacy Benefits. These publications are invaluable for learning about recent studies and trials, drug safety alerts, and innovative practices in pharmacy. I also actively participate in online forums and groups with other pharmacy professionals. This interaction not only helps me stay informed about the latest industry trends, but also allows me to exchange knowledge and experiences with my peers, which I find incredibly enriching. This ongoing commitment to learning ensures that I can continue to contribute effectively to our pharmacy team and enhance patient care.
Question number 18. What factors do you consider when storing medications? When storing medications, several key factors must be considered to ensure their safety and efficiency. As a pharmacy technician, I prioritize the following. Temperature control. Many medications require specific temperature ranges to maintain their potency and prevent degradation. I ensure that medications are stored in a refrigerator or at room temperature as per the manufacturer's instructions. Humidity and light exposure. Some medications are sensitive to humidity and light, which can alter their chemical composition. I make sure these medications are stored in moisture-resistant containers to protect them from such environmental factors. Expiration dates. Regularly monitoring the expiration dates of medications is crucial. I organize medications in a way that promotes the use of older stock first, adhering to the first in, first out principle to minimize wastage. Safety and security. Ensuring that medications are stored securely to prevent unauthorized access is vital, especially for controlled substances. I adhere to strict security protocols and legal requirements to safeguard these medications. And finally, accessibility. Medications should be organized and labeled clearly to facilitate quick and error-free retrieval. This not only improves efficiency, but also enhances patient safety by reducing the risk of dispensing errors. Compliance with regulations. Adhering to local and federal regulations is non-negotiable. I stay updated on changes in regulatory requirements and ensure that our storage practices comply with these standards. Now, by focusing on these factors, I help maintain the integrity of the medications we dispense and contribute to the overall health and safety of the patients we serve. Question number 19. Have you ever disagreed with a coworker or your supervising pharmacist? How did you handle it?
I have experienced disagreements in the workplace before. For example, at my previous job, there was a situation where I disagreed with the supervising pharmacist about the workflow in dispensing medication during a particularly busy period. I felt that our current process was causing delays and could potentially increase the risk of errors. Instead of allowing this disagreement to escalate or disrupt our work environment, I requested a few minutes to discuss the matter privately. During our conversation, I calmly presented my observations and suggested an alternative approach that I believed could help us manage the workload more effectively and safely. The supervising pharmacist listened to my concerns and appreciated that I brought them up respectfully and constructively. After some discussion, we agreed to implement part of my suggestion on a trial basis. This change not only improved our efficiency but also reinforced the importance of open communication in our team. From this experience, I learned how valuable it is to speak up when you see an opportunity for improvement, but also how essential it is to do so in a respectful and constructive manner, keeping the team's objectives in mind.
Question number 20. What is your experience handling insurance claims?
In my previous role as a pharmacy technician, handling insurance claims was a significant part of my daily responsibilities. I frequently interacted with various insurance providers to ensure that patients received the benefits they were entitled to. This involved verifying insurance coverage, submitting claims, and troubleshooting any issues that came up, such as claim rejections or discrepancies in coverage. For example, I once encountered a situation where a patient's medication was not covered under their new insurance plan, which was causing them a lot of stress. I took the initiative to contact the insurance company to discuss alternative medications that were covered and worked with the patient's healthcare provider to find a suitable substitute that was both effective and affordable for the patient. Additionally, I am well versed in using pharmacy management systems for claim processing, which includes updating patient records and ensuring accurate billing. Through these experiences, I've developed a strong attention to detail and a proactive approach to solving problems, ensuring that the pharmacy operates efficiently and patients receive their medications without delay.
And finally, question number 21. Do you have any questions for me or for us? When interviewing for a pharmacy technician position, it's important to ask questions that reflect your interest in the role and the organization, as well as your desire to integrate smoothly and be effective in the job. Here are a few thoughtful questions that a candidate could ask. Number 1, can you describe the training process for new pharmacy technicians at this facility? What opportunities are there for ongoing training and professional development? This question shows that you are eager to learn and adapt to the facility's practices, and you're thinking about how you can grow in your role. Number 2, what is the typical work dynamic between pharmacy technicians and pharmacists here? How about between pharmacy staff and other departments? This helps you understand the collaborative environment and communication style, indicating that you value teamwork and effective communication. Number 3, what type of pharmacy management systems are used here? Are there any innovations or changes planned in the near future in the way the pharmacy operates? This demonstrates your interest in the technological aspect of your work and shows that you are proactive about staying updated with new tools and systems. And finally, how is the performance of pharmacy technicians evaluated? What are the key indicators you look for? Asking this shows that you are results-oriented and committed to meeting and exceeding expectations, and you are keen on understanding how success is measured within the organization.
If you want to learn more on how to land jobs and reach your career goals, don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell notification button to get new videos every single week. Also, don't forget to hit that like button because that motivates me to keep doing what I do. Stay safe, keep smiling, and good luck.